that was old priest noticed that something was a miss. Now here, now after that, after putting the color, after putting the powder, so now this was the ceremony, this was the next step where people were just rub the oil on all part of his body, and suddenly the priest observed something is missing in his bodies. What something is missing? Now you have just what I am seeing. One of the finger of the king's left hand was missing. One of the left hand finger was missing. We can't proceed with the sacrifice. The deity will accept only those who are whole bodied. The body should not have any blemishes. Now here the priest said that, and he announced that now this whole body is not proper and our goddess will not accept this sacrifice. So we need a such type of full body of any human, any animal which has no any lack of things. Now here in this king, what was losing behind? He had lost his one finger, so he is not suitable for this sacrifice. Someone else to be placed here for the for this thing. He shook his head and said in his sonorous voice, I am sorry, Your Royal Highness. Now, here, loud sound. Now, here, he shook his head. Now, he just moved his hand and said very loudly, I'm sorry, Your Royal Highness, we can't proceed with the sacrifice. The deity will accept only those who are whole body. The body should not have any blemishness. And now the priest was forgiving, asking for forgive me, because this body is not fully developed and not proper for this sacrifice that will make our goddess happy. Because after eating or after accepting this flesh or this whole body will not be delight our goddess. So the body should not have any blemishness, any kind of problem, any kind of leg, any kind of anything missing. The prisoner's body is imperfect and it is not fit for offering to the deity. And now this prisoner body, that the king was being prisoned, the king was being bounded by the many chains, many ropes, so he is known as now prisoner. So the tribesmen fled in horror, for they had nearly presented an imperfect sacrifice and feared the wrath of the goddess. The wrath means, my dear students, wrath means anger. Now here, now as now this is the festival day and someone has to be sacrificed, and now this body is being cancelled, this body is not proper, this body is not fit, the prisoner is not fully mature or fully comfortable with this, suitable with this condition. So they were got so shocked, they were got so horror, because of the date will take any action, because the goddess of their will be in wrath and will be in anger. As the king hobbled away, hobbled means run away, walk away, as fast as his legs could carry him. Now he ran away from this place and as fast as he could run. I what what of the, so let me find it, what is written over there. He realized that the loss of his finger had indeed means really been for the best. And now here he realized, after escaping from this trap of this tribesman, of this craziness, that now after running from these type of peoples, when he reached at very safe place, he realized, he concluded that in his mind, that the advice which is said by the Balbir, that everything is going to be best, everything is for best. Now here he is thinking that his one finger, which is now giving him more pain, giving me more disaster, giving me more tense. Now, only by this cutting finger, by this incident, he had saved his life. But what of the burst, injured, burst and scratched body of Balbir? Was that for the best? And now, what it would be? Now my finger is like, my body is not proper whole, fully, my all the organs, all the parts are proper, but one thing is missing in my body. But the Balbir body was proper, sufficient. But what if he would with me, he would be comfortable for this sacrifice, and he is going to lose his life. So what he is realizing, that now what happened, something is wrong went with me. I lost my finger. And when the advisor scolded me, when the advisor was trying to change my perception that everything is for the best, so what I did, I got angry. I discarded him. I just throw him. I just ordered him to run away from his eyes. And now, yes, said Balbir Singh later, for if he had known of the king's peril. King's peril means now danger. He would have come to the king aid and been overcome by the numerous tribesmen. And if he would know that the king was in the problem, so he would definitely come and to save the king life. But the king is in danger, and what will happen? He will not defeat. He cannot control over them. So he will be kidnapped, as well as he will be caught and sent to the prison. And then what would be the happening of him? Nobody knows. Only God knows, because his whole body is fit. His whole parts are fit of his body, and okay, so he is perfect. But now he considered in his mind, he would have come to the king aid and would overcome by the numerous tribesmen, thus serving as a substitute victim. So everything was for the best after all. And now he will be considered as a substitute. Substitute means that you have seen in many sports match, that every team has some substitutes. If this player is not going to play good, so they have another alternate, the another, like suppose if in any match that one of all-rounder Jadeja is not fit, if the Jadeja is not playing appropriate, so instead of him we have another substitute, that is Ashwin. So there are many substitutes. And now the king substitute was advisor, so he would be now his body was being tasted now by the tribes people. They were eating his body. Now finally he had saved his life, and finally he got the message, got this meaning of his statement of Balbir, that everything is for the best. Now this is the whole chapter is all about. Now my dear students, let's have the discussion of the question answer. These are the oral based questions. And now Balbir Singh strongly believed that only powerful has a right to live. A king shouldn't punish his opponent severely. Everything is for the best. No, without any watch, without any noticing, without any confusion, just tick the last one as appropriate. This one, the third one. Moving to next. What made the king very angry? Balbir was making fun of his clothes and horse riding. According to him, that tragic incident was a blessing in disguise. In spite of his best efforts, the king could not find a way out of the forest. Now, without wasting any time, without just being confused, the second one is proper right. The second one. Now, going to third. The king's body was not fit for the offering because he had lost his finger was missed. So just where it is written, one of the fingers of the was missing. Now first one is accurate. Question of this chapter: what made Balbir Singh friends prosperous? Now, what made Balbir Singh friends? Who was the Balbir Singh friends? The king. And who prosperous? Prosperous means very happy, very nice, very full of happiness, kindness. What made Balbir Singh's friends prosperous. The everything is going well. Uh, Now here the Carvan's lords is properly scheduled, and the kingdom is earning too much money. Everything is going to be happy and nice. How did Balbir Singh explain the ills of famine, epidemic, and wars? He is saying, like in this answer, here it is written. Now here, see the ill, famine, epidemic, and was which man seemed unable to avoid. He could not reconcile his accounts or Balbir Singh of repeated belief that everything is for the best. When challenged, the minister would reply, "Such burdens noble man nature and teach him wisdom, so the bringing mankind slowly towards the perfection." So this is the answer. From where? From the he could not reconcile this on account of Balbir Singh of repeated belief that everything is. How did Balbir Singh explain of? So here this is the Balbir Singh that everything is for the best. Here. From here, this is the answer. Now third number question. What happened when the king was on his hunting expedition? He was by mistake he had cut off his own finger because when he was trying to cut one of the branch of the apple tree, his sword had slipped from his hand, and while he found that his finger was missing and bleeding was coming outside. Why was the king angry with the advisor? Because the advisor was saying that when he was in the situation of so pain, so distress, so frustrated at that period of time, the advisor, Balbir Singh, replied that Your Majesty, everything is for the best. Now, and whatever you are facing the problem, but in upcoming future, this problem will be so beneficial for you. And the king was getting to know that he had lost his finger, and he was getting so distraught, he was getting so angry, and he made an order that to run away from his sides. Who made the king a prisoner? Why? After injured, after losing too much blood from his own mistake to cut his finger, he lied down on the footstep of the apple tree, and he was discovered by the tribesmen who had taken him into their tribes to as a victim of sacrifice. His body is going to be distributed to their goddess, that the goddess will be delight on their annual festival. Why did the tribal chief send for the priest? Because it is a ritual, it is a custom, it is their tradition to whenever any offering is given to the god or to given to their deity. So the work of inspection is made by the priest. So that's why this is a kind of a formality made by the priest. Why did the priest reject the prisoner as an offering to the deity? So now the prisoner, while he was just at the point of to be victimized, to be sacrificed, that at point that everybody was rubbing the oil on his body, rubbing the powder yellow and red, then he found that one part of his body, especially the finger of his hand, was missing, and he stopped and said that this person is not suitable for this to make our God happy. Our God, our deity will not accept such type of defected person. Long answer. How was the advisor misfortune proved to be his luck? Now here, as the you can make this answer by your own self, that as he had believed, the advisor had believed that everything is for the best, as he had been experienced such statements, such words are really happening, because now in his own life two incidents had been seen, and after a misfortune. Now misfortune was that the king was injured badly, he lost his life, but after that This misfortune had brought fortune for them, had brought happiness, prosperous in their life. How the king was escaped from to be sacrificed, to be offered to the god, and the advisor who was brutally scolded by the king and given an order to run away from his eyes. So the two things happened, and after that result was very nice and very beautiful. So you can make the answer long. Do you believe that everything that happened is for the best? Give example for the real life to prove your point. To some extent, I would be agree, but now here, uh, if something is going to be best, if we expect, so sometimes there are many incidents like which we cannot which we cannot expect, or which we cannot stay that with this statement that everything is for the best. If suppose if someone has lost his if somebody lost his closer non familiar family person, friends, if they lost that time, it is not good for the best, because no one can that if somebody is in our life and we lost him or her, then no one can fill the empty space of this person, of this man or woman, because they had made a wonderful memory. So to some extent we are agree, but to some extent we are not agree. So I'll partially agree, not agree, or agree also. So this is the chapter all about, and here are the questions, oral based questions, so you can discuss with your friends. Now, here are the questions. Do you agree with the Balbir Singh belief that everything is for the best? Yes, to some extent I agree with this. As I have told you, the last one answer that you will also put in your statement, in your answer oral base, and you can say that in some situations everything is for the best, but in some situations it is not. It is totally opposite of it. Why should one be optimistic all the time? Now, very important. Optimistic is a path to lead us to finding positivity. Positivity is very important in our life. If we pursue negativity, we will lose many things. We will lose our character. We will lose our our power of thinking, and we will one day regret on our this mistake. So being optimistic is beneficial, because we always find the hope, we always find the positivity in any situation, in any problem, in any difficulty. How can you tell an optimistic from a pessimistic one? How can you tell an optimistic from a pessimistic one? Now here, this is the question based on yourself. You will write it the answer by your own. You will discuss with your own. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter great, and great to great extent. And now these are the I almost 5 questions, 5 chapters have been done from the class 7th, and the delight books, and soon I'll start the grammar portion, where we will cover the 5 chapters of grammar, and all the classes and question answers. The test is also going to be conducted soon, so that you have to prepare yourself with all the questions you have prepared. If you have any query, so you can talk to me, you can through your whatever the message by the school, and they will send me whatever your query, whatever your suggestion, whatever your advice, or so I'll work upon it. And I'm very delighted to teach you in these conditions through online, and I hope you are also taking the advantage of this thing. So now, my dear students, that's what I have to say with you. I want you to be happy, to be blessed out of from all the problems. God always have mercy on you. This is what I want to say you. And the most important thing is that we have the letter writing also, and we will also cover it. Letter writing means letter writing, writing portion is there, which is part of letter writing, essay writing, and story writing. We will cover it very soon. The grammar, letter writing, and literature portion, as well as we have the passage portion. Passage means that there are seen and unseen passages will be there. So we will discuss, we will start making videos on it, and I hope you would not have any problem in future. Every concepts are clear. So thank you once again to be with me, and thanks.